Okay, what we have here is a Toshiba Satellite L305 series laptop with a broken DC jack. I've already somewhat taken this apart, but kind of show you how broken this really is. The jack is actually like falling apart, if you can see that. So we're just gonna remove the cord from this jack and solder on the new jack, and then put it in place, and actually going to hot glue it into place because the housing, the plastic housing for the jack is also broken away. So quite a bit of work for this one. Simple work, but fixable. Gonna go ahead and do it, and then come back and show you it working. Okay, we put the replaced the jack on the end of the cable. Here's the leftover scraps from the broken jack, really broken jack. I'm just going to show you that the new jack is going to work. Power light and charge light are right here up front, right in front of my screwdriver. And I'm just going to plug this into there, and voila, we get lights. So now I'm going to put it into place and put the laptop back together and test it again. Okay, what we have here is a Toshiba Satellite L305. This is the finished DC jack replacement. Just to show you that the lights show up. I don't know if you can see that. And make sure machine turns on. Looks like we got power. Yay! Boot up into Windows. Yeah, that's good enough. I'm not gonna. Oh, there you go. Come on. Go Windows Vista. Take forever. Computer has a password on. Just gonna shut it down. It's working.